What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're making a hand mold. I've seen this going around on like TikTok of like couples doing it where they're like holding hands, but I only have my cat and I know that he would not be into doing this. So I'm just gonna do it myself. The cool thing, and I'm really excited about, is that I only have 4 fingers on each hand and I think they're gonna come out looking really cool. And I can't wait to use them for decoration. I'm not gonna show you guys what like pose I do with my hands. You're gonna have to wait till the end of the video to see how they turn out. So let's just get started. I got Chip here. I don't need a strong man. I am a strong man. As I can't get this out. That's right. I had Chip off. Okay. So here are the instructions. So see, you make cute little like hand molds. Safety, don't need that. Mixing, yeah. Okay, are we ready? Oh my God, I'm so nervous.
Oh, I'm going.
Okay, I'm not ready for this. Just, it's fine. Just keep mixing, there we go. I have a vacuum. Get my crotch right in the shot. Nice. It said we only have 60 seconds. We gotta get all the like little bumps out. Okay, I'm gonna hand this to you. We're just gonna.
3 hours later.
Okay, we're back. We have one hand free from our mold. So now I need to get this hand free. So we're just gonna use this little Q-tip thing that they graciously provided. And it says you wanna work like the outside of it. And now it says you just start wiggling your fingers. That's what she said. Aha! Okay, we did it. My hands are in there. Okay, so now we have the concrete. I'm assuming we're gonna mix in this bowl right here and then pour this into said mold. Pour 25% of the mixture into the mold. Roll the container at a 45-degree angle while filling. This allows the stone to run into fingertips, minimizing the trapped air. Interesting. Now is the time to unmold this, and it says to flip it, and then you just, it says you're supposed to like squeeze the side until it like comes out. Where's the instructions? Oh, I got it. Okay, we did it. Never mind. Okay, and now we just start peeling away this rubbery shit. Oh my God, I see it poking through. Oh my God, it's like poking out a little bit. It's my finger! There it is. Okay, we love it. Oh my God! Like all my dreams are coming true. We finally undid all the molding and stuff, and this is what it came out as. Wow! They're just so perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Like I want to do it again and do a little better because like there is some like there's some stuff, but that's okay. Hey, it was my first time, okay? You guys, like the detail on these hands is so crazy. Like you can see all my little like wrinkles and like the follicles where like my hair comes out. It's crazy. It turned out so much better than I could have ever hoped for. So anyways, that's gonna be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. That's funny. Anyways, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.